Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine 3x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this, because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change for u, and we have u square cosine 3x dx, we change for this one. So the integration of this one, we have negative number 1 over u about u, that is about sine 3x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.